Alright guys, let's create a new staff really quickly. Let's make it a different color to indicate that it's a cool staff, essentially. Maybe that works. I mean, I feel like I should do something more cool. No, I mean, how the fuck you get copyright strike from that? I think it's not... how do you say that in English, man? God, I hate it! I need to sleep! My brain is fucking dumb! Sorry. God damn it! Okay. You should sleep less, more often. It's very entertaining. No, it's not. That's not. Coffee? Yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot. I wanted to drink it, but it is too hot. If I drink it right now, it will burn my lips and my whatever that's called. I can't. Remove the cap, man. Okay. Just remove it. Brew some cold coffee. Guys, we're gonna draw stuff now. It's fine. I'm so angry, man. I'm so fucking angry. Zoe will be so proud when she sees this and actually, I'm banning you. It's not gonna be 15 years, bro. It's gonna be 2 at most. 5 minutes. I misclicked and it was 6. It's fine. Toggle notification pause.
Hi.
Hello, collector of stuff, by the way. Good morning.
Good code. Check. Massive progress. Check. Demo soon.
I don't
Check.
think this was game
Field
release
ramen.
related. Oh. Oh, was it not? Hey, Shintai, if it wasn't, then I'm sorry. I don't know how to lift the timeout though, so... yeah, unban him. I don't know how to do that. How do you do that? Unblock? Timeout? Free? I don't know how to do that, man. Remove? I don't know how to do this. Thank you, Zend. How did you do that? Just click the name, but the name's gone. Sorry about that, Shintai. Maybe it wasn't meant that way. Then I apologize, of course. I did it. Okay, but how did you do it? How did you? I'm crying. Was talking about the raging. Oh, I see. I'm sorry. What do you use to code the game? Oh, Miguel. Good morning. Visual Studio Code, my brother. Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. The shittiest application ever. But, you know, it is how it is. I like playing games on hard mode, you know? That's just how it is, bruh. Alright, guys, let's try to do some cool thing here. Damn, that looks so fucking ugly, bro. Guys, we need some inspiration for stuffs. It is time. Pixel art stuff. Let's see here. Ooh. Wow, look at that. That's an ice stuff, you know? Damn, thank you very much. Copy. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Let's put it right here. Just, you know, for some research purposes. I would never steal this, of course. Never would I steal that. Absolutely not. Zip. You know, just to get some idea on how certain things could be drawn. And then also I would like to take... this one looks good here. Let's take that. That's a nice little grip on some questionable weapon. Not sure who came up with this, but this guy is clearly sick in the head. 100%. There we go. Let's put it here. Right there. Right there! Nice. Bloop. There we go. Now, let us generate a nice... Oh, I see. It's 3 pixels. So, if we do this here, should we do a... Yeah, we're gonna do that. Zip. Nice. And then we do... Aha, so it's more... How do you say that? It is darker to the left and brighter to the right to show that there's shadow going on. Ooh, look at that. That is looking some smexy. Damn, bro. Now the question is, do we move this one to the left here? Does it look weird? I think it looks weird, right? Kinda looks odd. Wait, let us test what it looks like if we move this down. We need to definitely work on the hand here, but we can, you know, we will get to that. Yeah. Excuse me. Also, I feel like this here should be dark. Like that. To show that it's gripped. Like these nuts. And then I think the hand is kinda in the wrong location, actually. What if we do this? Looks kinda shitty, I have to say. Does look like ass. Yeah. It looks like ass. Like your mama's ass, chat. Essentially. Well, let's undo this. That sucked. Doesn't look too good. That looks a little better, I have to say. Not perfect, but a bit better. Let's keep it like that for now. It's fine. Okay. Ooh, now we need to do roots. How do we do that? Pirate Yoinkware. What is that name? Research purposes as intended, says the Yoink Master. TTS is disabled. Yes, TTS is disabled. Okay, can I drink coffee now? Oh, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Hello, Survival. Good morning, bro. How's it going? I hope not. That is toxic, sir. I don't appreciate that. Okay, let's see here. What do we have on the stuff? We have this little pattern here. What am I even using here? Huh? That's a color. Okay. Wait, let's use this. Like that, and then make it brighter here. Kannst du mal bitte den Mund schließen? Es riecht nach Penis von... Okay, that is literally a ban-worthy offense. 10 minutes, actually. See you in 10 minutes, bitch. What's up with these weirdos in chat? What's going on here? Bro. What are you doing? You stupid? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Man, this is gonna be difficult to do. It has black outlines here. Shadows reversed. Yeah, kinda, right? They look a bit odd. But let's see here. I wanna test it. I think I'm just gonna do 2 here. So essentially, let's just get rid of this. So that we have everything from scratch here. This. And also, like, I don't like the art style of this, because it has too many colors. I feel like if you use too many colors in a pixel art game, it's a little bit difficult to tell what's going on. So I rather have less colors. Something like this. That looks okay. And then we are just going to generate the second one here. There we go. And then we do 2 of these. I see. I need to have this here. So essentially it wants that, but then that's off by 1 pixel, which means it needs to look like this. Yeah, that's looking good. And then essentially we have this, which means there will be shadow. Okay, I like this part here. Kinda wanna work on this in isolation. And then we have... Can we even do this? We can. We have a nice little... Could even do this by 2, but yeah, I guess it works. Looks like dog shit. Shut the fuck up, okay, bitch? Fuck you. It doesn't look like dog shit. I think it looks really good, bro. You're just a hater. Which, you know, is fine. It's fine. You can hate. But you're wrong. Ultimately, you are wrong. Mm-hmm. Just wait. Okay? Because I'm onto something here. Damn! Look at that, boys! Look at that, my brothers! Isn't that? Damn, look at this. Wow. Huh? Damn, I'm so good. Now, obviously, it would be cooler if this thing was thicker, right? If we had this. Oh my god, it still works. Of course it still works. Damn, bro. Dude. Let's get some shininess in here. Eh? Yeah, wait. That is a bit too bright here. Wow, look at that. Damn, that's so cool. This is awesome. Wow. Yeah, I think that's already it, guys. Bloop. Put it on the stuff. There it is, guys. Stuff in the game. What do you think? Rate this stuff. Wait, it's not done yet. Shit, I broke it. No, I broke it. Wait. Shit. Fuck, I broke it. What should I do here? Maybe like this?
Gotcha, bitch!
Yeah, I think this is good. Nicole, thank you very much for following. Welcome. Come on, Cakez. There's a preview window. Stop zooming in and out. I don't know what it is. I think it's a habit. I know what you mean. It is a habit, brother. I feel like the top part here is a bit too big. So I guess this should be longer. Like my penis. Oops. Something like that, maybe. And then over here, we generate a nice little shadow. By doing this. Oh, guys, by the way, how do I get my color back? Ah, here. Wait. This thing. Penis should be longer, get it? Yeah. Cakez, I think this stuff being a bit top heavy is a good thing. Gives it a different silhouette of others. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, there we go. That's the stuff. Ultimately, and now what we need to do is actually generate the tip, I suppose. There we go. What we need to do is generate an outline. Because how do we do this even for the start? First time on the stream. Hello there, sir. Good morning. Welcome. Good morning, sir. I'm glad to see a C++ developer using Sprite. My game is still in the planning stages. I'm stuck between Odin and not Odin, lol. I also enjoy my ad money. Thank you, man. Yeah, thanks, bro. You realize it, Nicole. Exactly. Because that's ultimately how it works. You guys watching, you're supporting me. You know? If you don't sub, you're supporting me by watching. True. Yes, that's ad money. And I'll have you know, guys, that the ad money is actually... It's close with subs. It's like very high for me. Like percentage-wise. You know? So, it is a ginormous support. Exactly. Thank you. Exactly, sir. Hate watching? No. Terra is not hate watching, okay? Fellow C++ programmer is not hate watching. Guys, Zoe has infected me again. Are you kidding me? This fucking bitch! I've never been sick so many times, bro. Goodness. Nice. I'm hate watching since I hate everything. Bugelkuch. Open a window? No, the people will think I'm crazy. Why would I do that? Absolutely not. So I'm surprised though. I can still stream to YouTube. Can I get a hand rubbing? A hand rubbing? No, you can get a handshake, bro. Not a hand rubbing. I don't even know what that means, bro. That's a little suspicious to me. Guys, I want to test something here. Let's see if this works. Maybe I'm fucking it up now. Sorry. looks bad.
Cakez 7 Rub 2.
Ho ho ho!
Oh, yeah, sir. Wait a minute. You can make... Wait a minute, you can use Gigantify an emote with a message and it plays TTS? Wait a minute, that's not what I intended. Wait, did you just play pipes for 30 bits? Oh no, man, like... I did, sounds like a feature to me. Listen, you guys are not supposed to play sound effects or play TTS for 30 bits. That's too cheap. It's 30 cents. I'm not gonna get abused by 30 cents, bro. Absolutely not. It's not cheap enough. It's not expensive enough is what you should say. You know what? We're doing it like this, ultimately. Yeah, I think I like this more. It looks a little bit more natural, in my opinion. No, that looks terrible. You look, your old stuff looks like a 16-year-old penis comparison. In comparison? No, you're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. I don't know, like, what type of fantasies do you have, bro? Get it checked out. Okay? Please get it checked out, brother. Alright. There it is. Now, I need to quickly take a look at how do I do weapons? For the staff. Or I ultimately say what type of animation index I use, right? So, for example, for the wand... Actually, I don't have the wand implemented. For swords, right? Let's see here. Update weapon. Eh? Hello? Hello? Visual Studio Code? Guys, man, I love streaming so much, man. I don't have any time, man. Get a picture of a 16-year-old penis for comparison? No. No, I'm not doing that. You need 10,000 bits to get Cakez to do something minimum, just so he can say it is over 9,000 bits. True, yeah. Huge Dragon Ball fan. Do you use Vim motions? Yeah, I use Vim motions. Cakez, it's your game after all. Are you sure the stuff's color is alright? It kind of bothers me, to be honest. What is the problem with the stuff's color? Damn, that's so fucking delicious, brother. Stuff. Hello, who am I? Good morning, sir. Guys, I appreciate you joining, even though I wrote you on Discord that I might not be here. Thank you, guys. Welcome. I really appreciate that, man. I really do. There we go. Let's... Oh, no. Actually wanted to take a look at the sword, bro. I want to take a look at the sword. Come on. Hey, Cakez, how are you doing? Ah, like shit, by the way. But it's fine. We're gonna do better later. Thanks for asking, though. Haha. So, if we have frame count 1 and 2,
Gotcha, bitch.
Why though? Long story short. But ultimately Zoe is sick in the hospital. Because of breathing problems. We spent the entire night in the hospital without sleep. And I had like 1 to 2 hours of sleep. You know, feel like shit. Bruh. But I want to work on the game. I want to make it good, you know. TCAP inspired me a lot. So... I'm a competitive person. I need to have a better game than TCAP, you know? You know what the problem is? The biggest problem is, let's say TCAP's game is very successful. You know how many times he will point that out? Oh god, I just can't. Like, I'll stop streaming at that point, man. Like, bruh. I tried those tips and now I'm rich. What type of tips? Nah, he won't. He has a good heart. Are you really that naive? Now, like, I know that he's a nice person. But, yeah. Stressful and sleep deprived, just develop games. Yeah, exactly, exactly. He would never rub that in my face. No, of course not. No way. Alright, guys, let's do something here. 5 head mode enabled. So, what we need to do for the animation index is... There we go. If we are attacking, we're setting the animation index to... well, we need to check, right? So we need the weapon sprite. Do we have that here? Oh, we do. Good.
Ha ha.
There we go. So now we have the animation index done here. Which is essentially... And then by default, where's that done? For the staff, we set it to 0. We check that again. Weapon sprite.frame count. Is it greater than 1? Then we set it to 1. Otherwise, we set it to 0. So why is this? Essentially a staff. I want a staff to shine a little bit whenever we are casting something. Okay, so essentially what I want to do here is... Let's get rid of this. We have the staff. And we have it again. And in this case, the staff is literally just this. Together with an outline. To make it cooler. Shift-O. What the fuck is that? Some transparent pixel. There we do not want to have. Shift-O. There's another transparent pixel, but we'll fix that later. So ultimately... Like this. That's the stuff in the menu. What it will look like. And then this is what it will look like in the game. When we are not casting anything. Okay. Now, when we are casting something, it will look like this. Jip. There needs to be 2 spaces between them. So we have 3 animation frames right now. And the staff begins here. This is what it looks like. And then we take this crystal. And we are going to convolution matrix this. So essentially what that means is... guys, how do I remove minus? I guess we'll do this. There we go. We copy this here. And we need to like split this, Shift N. And then, but no outline. No outline in the game, yeah. And then we do Control U. And we change the alpha value to where it makes sense. Actually, we can... what was it called again? It's called... Something curve. Color curve. Control M. So color curve, and we can do the alpha in like a curve where we keep the brighter parts. Hey. Right, we keep it bright in the middle, but we move the beginning away. So ultimately like that. I think that looks kind of nice. There we go. And then, since this effect, we have colors here. We have, oh god, 2. Yeah. You know what, guys? I might have to do Control M again. Eh? Oh yeah, of course it's the colors. Just the alpha value. Think like this. Let's see how many do we have a value here? Yeah, we have tiny values. Kind of want to delete them here up top.
Great to be back to my favorite Vulcan stream.
I don't want to have any values.
Shorter than 5 lines.
There we go. Okay, so that's going to be it. That's the first upgrade. It's going to be an ice stuff. Glad to see you here. How's Zoe feeling? Thanks for asking, Mr. Code and Gree. Thank you very much. It really means a lot to me. Thank you, bro. Zoe, so Zoe is sick with coughing, no fever, thank goodness. And she has breathing problems whenever she's coughing. And so she needs to stay in the hospital to be monitored. And yeah, ultimately it sucks, but she's fine otherwise. And yeah, it was a terrible night. Man, I think this looks bad. Wow, that looks better. What 1 pixel can do, guys. Look at this. Wow, that looks so much better. Yeah, cool. Sorry to hear, man. Hope Zori recovers swiftly. Yeah, I hope so too. Thanks, bro. Ultimately, sorry. Ultimately, I think she'll be alright. And everything's gonna be okay. Let's see. Staff. Skill tree. Default item staff. Let's see. Swords defender. Items defender. Items mage. Ice stuff. Come on, guys. Item, holy shield, and then put this here, and then go back. Do items mage. Put it here. There we go. Like that. Yoink this. Delete a word. Paste. Guys, did you guys hear anything about TCAP and his game? Will he make his game, or do we need to do something? Is he gonna make his game or not? Where's the default items? Default stuff. Frame count. Seems like he is. Did he say that? Yeah. He already made $1 million and has forgotten about you driving his Lambo. I mean, that would be so awesome. It would be really cool, man. I hope that he does it, you know? Because ultimately we're all gigachats here. 161120. Guys, we're all gigachats here. Trust me. We are in the hyperbolic time chamber of learning. Just wait. Oh shit, that was supposed to be here. Yep. Just wait 1 or 2 more years. In 1 or 2 more years, I'm telling you guys, everything will change. 100%. Just wait. You know, people will take our opinion more seriously in 1 to 2 years. Just wait. 9 by 30. Ah, fuck, it's not supposed to be 9 pixels wide. Because 9 pixels always... If a sprite is 9 pixels wide, guys, then dividing it by 2 causes it to be in position 4.5, which is a sub-pixel position. Fine, we'll do it 9, we'll do it we'll do 9 for now. But we have to keep that in mind. Okay, now that we have the ice stuff, we can go to the game and then we can go to weapon upgrades. There we go, and then we can get items for the mage. The first item the mage gets is item... wait, no, sprite? No, wait. Oh, we need to generate an item, of course. Yeah. Defender, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. I kind of want to do it like weapon and then the items here together. So essentially we have the eye patch. That is one item. And crude sword, short sword, iron sword is tier 1. And then we have withered scimitar. Wait a minute. Withered scimitar. Gladius was in the middle. Wolf spite, what's that? The steel sword doesn't exist right now. I called it something else. The withered scimitar was the third one. Short sword. Wooden sword. Where's the wooden sword? Wooden sword. There we go. I kind of like sorting these, essentially. What do you mean by wait for 1 or 2 more years, people will take our opinion more seriously? Okay, I'll explain that, okay? In 1 to 2 years, my game will be released out in the public, probably early access, if not finished. No, I don't mean 7. I do not mean 7. So the game will be out. We will have a released game. At that point, I'm pretty sure that I will make the game as good as possible and reach about 100 reviews, which to me would be a success in my eyes. 1 to 200 reviews. People will take my opinion more seriously. We will start working on more side projects and a new game, while continuing the development on this game, of course, you know, with updates, reviving the game, adding some more stuff based on feedback. And ultimately, everything will be on a bigger scale, and therefore I can talk about some topics and people will not disregard my opinion because I've never released and sold a game. That's what is gonna change in 1 to 2 years. Just wait. And along the way, we are learning so much. Basically, every day we are learning something new when it comes to making and balancing games and generating or creating some really cool game ideas. And ultimately, that is what is gonna lead to I don't know the English word, but yeah, a new project can just reuse assets. Yeah, that too. Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear!
I think I would still disregard your opinion. Yeah, people are just haters. Yeah. But it's fine. It's okay. Alright, so we have the eye patch here. Then we have leather helmet and what was the other one? Oh, the goggles. Right, where's the goggles? Windbane is the tier 2 item. That's to the left. Then Gladius and Wolfspite. Then where are the goggles? Item goggles. Guys, whenever you... precision goggles. There we go. We have precision... Hey, stop it. Precision goggles, then leather helmet, and then eye patch. That's tier 1 for the defender. And now tier 2 is this, and... Yeah, we have... the lantern on tier 2, which is to the very right. Then we have the shield, wooden shield. Where's that? Wooden shield. There we go. Put that on tier 2. By the way, guys, I might change exchange this item or the leather helmet item with the wooden shield. Maybe. Because I think the leather helmet, while it is really cool... but then I can't get a shield on me, which kind of sucks. We'll have to see. Hey, Metal Storm, long time no see, bro. How's it going? Welcome, sir. Let's see. Cakez, how is Zoe? Everything okay? People do not disregard your opinions because you haven't released a game, just because some of your opinions is shit to begin with. This guy is banned for 5 minutes. My opinions are not shit. I think, like, real talk right now, I think I'm trying to explore every avenue. Okay? Without having too much of a bias. I am quite uninformed about certain topics, I agree. But I try to approach everything with, like, trying to see all the sides at once. And then ultimately coming up with an opinion based on that. To give you a very simple example, the Godot situation. And I think most people see that too, but they are just blinded by rage. You know, people called it woke and bullshit, you know, said that they did some crazy mistakes, which they did. But they are not pointing out how some people, when, you know, on Twitter, were literally writing some heinous stuff to them, of course, you know. And so I can see both sides in that situation, right, where you make a post and then you receive a bunch of hate. And that's really unfortunate. You know, shouldn't happen, but of course it happens, because it's the fucking internet. What do you expect, right? Shouldn't do such a post in the first place. But yeah, ultimately, that's how I see it. Anyways, let's move on here. Let's not spend too much time. We have the Defender, tier 1, tier 2, like these are not done yet. Tier 3, a Pirate, item Cutlass, yeah. And then over here we do the Mage. And so what the Mage has is the item... is it called Staff or something? Ice Staff? Cakez, I've uploaded a 45 frame version. Thank you. This one? Yeah. Still up. You got timed out, bitch. You got timed out, you asshole. Easy bait. Save image. What a fucking idiot, man. I told him I'm gonna get it this time. Alright, let's see. We still have this open. Let's add another animated emote here. 45 frames, and we call it... There we go. Thank you, Mr. Real Super Cool. Look at this, guys. Man, what a giga chat. Thank you, man. That's incredible. I really appreciate that, bro. Thank you. It means a lot to me that you do this, you know? That's so awesome. Yeah, guys, we have a new animated emote. Cakez 7 Ha. Thank you, man. He didn't notice. It was the distraction full. And what's the distraction? Guys, if I get banned for this, then you are literally getting banned for life from Discord. No joking. Okay? And the one above? Guys, stop baiting! Stop baiting! Okay, stop it! We are programming here, okay? This is a programming stream. Stop it! Ah, that's a nice emote in chat right now. Damn, that is really cool, bro. Thank you, Real Super Cool. Man, can we post a spinner gif? I said it. Fuck. Fidget spinner. We are talking about fidget spinners. Stupid fucking... Stupid. It's crazy that... wait, maybe he wrote a message. Good morning. Hope everything is coming along nicely. Hello there, Mr. Papai. Thanks very much for asking. It's coming along okay. All right, guys. Hero, mage, item, staff, ice staff. Here we go. Now the mage has his first item, which is a dot. And he's using it already. Why is he using the ice staff already? Huh? What the fuck? So confused. Oh, wait. I need to restart because every unit... Yeah. I need to restart. New emote looks more like he is suspicious rather than confused. I couldn't get the expression right, but guys, shouldn't this be called sus then? Yeah, maybe sus, Cake7 sus. Why not? We could rename it to sus. Sus of bad code. Yeah, something like that, you know? Why is it a dot here? I don't understand. No, he doesn't have a stuff at all. So confused. Didn't I save this? Export this? Items, ice stuff. Oh, wait. Get item data. We need to add that here. Wait a minute. No. Items here. Here we go. Okay, let's... Oh god. To do add ghost detection, yeah. I know how to do this already. Mage items. Let's begin with this. So we have the item. Ice staff. So, which sprite is that? Sprite. Item, ice staff. String. Oh, I see. We need a string. Okay. Let's see here. String lantern. That would be string... Ice staff. You know what? We're going to sort this. Mage items. Then demons. Bane. Mage items. There we go. Get this right here. Ice stuff. Hello there, my man. Emil Jason. Good morning. How are you today, Cakes? I'm fucking tired, bro. Otherwise, I'm good. Good morning, Tipsy Monk. Hello there, sir. Hope you're doing good, bro. Okay, ice staff. We have this. String ice staff. There we go. Uncommon, that's fine. Item slot. I don't really think we need to have an item slot anymore. I mean, it's a weapon, but it's obvious. Okay, stats. So first stat, cold damage. I wanted to give me cold damage and a lot. Base. I wanted to give me, let's say, 20 or 30 cold damage. A lot, essentially. Cast time. Does it need to be minus 30? Yeah, let's increase the cast time. Now, I want to also add in ability effect duration. I want to increase that by 20%. Actually, I don't want to make it too crazy though. Let's see 10%. Let's say 10%. Cold damage, a lot of cold damage here. Cast time down. And since this is the first item, yeah, cast time and cooldown reduction. There we go. That's the first stuff. And now hopefully tell me it works. Hell yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at this. I feel like the hand is a bit high. Or maybe not. That actually looks insane. Thank you. Now they're getting slowed every time he attacks because he has cold damage. He still does more fire damage than cold. But damn, look at this. Cool. I hope my game looks like this one day. Now, right now it sucks. It will. If you keep going, it will. For sure. Damn, that looks really good. Now he just got 10 times better. Alright, let's see. Gets that. Wow, look at the damage. That's cool. Damn. Oh, look at that money. Thank you. Ooh, why does it not hit? He's missing these crucial targets. I feel like that sucks. Let's test this. Cakez, I don't know if I'm on a tangent on right now or not, but now I know what bothered me in A-Sprite about the stuff. Its colors are a bit too close to the path colors. I see. I'm making it bigger. We're making the area bigger. I don't like the range that it has right now. Spike radius 8. I think I want to do 12. It feels bad at the moment. Cakez, make the ice cooldown a little less, please. The ice cooldown. How much is it right now? No. Step debugging, turn that off. Bro, it's 12 seconds. And you can get cooldown reduction on the tree. So you can get it down really fast or really far. And I think I have cooldown reduction on the staff, do I? Damn, that's big. I think since I increased the AoE, I also need to increase the spawn frequency to 1, maybe 1.5. Feels a little odd to me. Let's see. I'm still losing. Kinda bothers me. I'm losing. Even with this guy. What the fuck? That's very short. Let's try this again. The ice ability doesn't feel good. Damn, that looks so good. Look at the stuff, guys. Look at this, guys. It looks so good. Cast time minus 30%. Ability duration. Trash? It's not trash, bro. You? Guys, it's not you. What are you talking about? It looks really good. I like it. Yeah, these guys are just dumb. Exactly. Cakez, as part of solving the mage targeting, how about adding ground targeting with control left click, which would add as a target waypoint until changed or removed? I think it's a bit too much for the game. What I can do here, though, is have... Essentially, we could potentially do this. We might be able to do this. Let's see. We have Concord audience. Yeah, here, guys. That's Concord's audience, by the way. What we could do here is this. Let's zoom in. You see how we have this menu here, right? And there's 2 slots to the left and to the right. What we could add in is something like this. See this? And then together with white, of course, right? Pretty sure you guys can tell by now what this is supposed to be, right? Let me draw this again and then you guys can tell what it is. I see. Ah, man, fuck. We could potentially do this. And then we have red. And maybe it looks something like this. That could be a target location. You click this button. You click on it, and then it gives you something like an elliptical range indicator, like in balloons. You know, something like that. And then you can move this around. It's stuck to your mouse, right? And you can just move this around. You're like, you know, you have this stuck to your mouse, and then you're like, okay, please put it here. But I don't know how I would convey this information to the player that he can do this. I would expect something like a crosshair. Well, God, man, I'm having too much fun. I'm having too much fun. Let's see. This is what it looks like in balloons. It would give you a way to do more specific testing of abilities too. Yeah. Like I had this in the game before. Just found this channel. What is the main thing of the game? The main thing of the game is MMORPG-like combat with automated abilities, and you're generating, like, let's say a party like in Dragon Age Origins, fighting against enemies in a tower defense setting, but very, very high level, essentially, not too deep down into the trenches where you have crazy conditions and stuff. Let's see. So this is what, and heavily inspired by balloons and other games. This is what the gunner looks like in... no, it's not the gunner. What is he called? No, it's this guy name. What this guy's name? Set target it's called. And this is what it looks like here. And so maybe... Yeah, maybe. Like, but since I have an ellipse, you know... I don't know. Could do that too, you know. Kinda depends. Looks good. What changed? Is this the demo? Anyways, I think this looks more cool. And yeah, something like that. As an icon. Instead of... We could have set target. But I think it would just confuse. And maybe these items... Maybe these icons appear as... I solved it, guys. I solved it. Meta progression. Meta progression enables this feature. Why? Why does that make sense? No, guys. Guys. Oh, you're so fucking dumb. It's insane. Like, oh man, this guy's so stupid. Like, how do I teach this guy that he's dumb? Oh, man. Better targeting through advanced. Yeah, me? No, not you. Stupid chat. Yeah. So, guys. You know how an Animal, well, the creator pointed out that he had to stagger game mechanics, and over the course of the game, the player would uncover more and more game mechanics as they played. And there are certain things that the player has not found out yet and the game doesn't teach to you. I don't want to overload the player with shitty tons of tutorials when they start playing. So how can I stagger game mechanics in a meaningful way to give the player that is very fresh to the game enough to do so that they feel engaged and it's easy enough and self-explanatory enough, but also the player that has played for a long time enough customizability and options so that they can create their own strategies. And I think the best way to do that is to generate something like this, where I add in very specific power-ups that could apply to certain situations or not. And so we could have something like Lone Ranger, and then I have a text here acting as a tutorial. And you have encountered this before. There's typo and damage. Shit. You're right. There's a typo and damage. Thank you. Oh god, those were multiple times. Oh god. Okay, we fixed it now. That was like 3 typos. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, bro. I think this is smart, and I'm adding this in right now. Allows units to target... Allows all units to target locations for skill shots instead of enemies. To prefer skill shot locations instead of enemies. Yeah. This is... yeah. And so you could clear this and you could set this. What is respec? Well, what's respec? Should I call it re-roll? Should I call it reset instead of respec? Is it not clear what respec means? Guys, is this confusing? I think it's self-explanatory, right? Why don't you make an advanced mode for old players and basic mode for new players? But the basic mode is the game in the very beginning. And then this generates an advanced mode over time as you get more money. I think I found a really good solution here. And Erishka, I don't think it should be tied to meta upgrades. It should just unlock after the tutorial stage, maybe, or just unlocked at the start. Okay, so guys, in Bloons. The player gains upgrades by playing and levels by playing. So the more I play Bloons, the more monkeys I unlock. And so I have the same mechanic where instead of a level tied to the player, I have gold tied to the player. Which means this monkey right here is not available to me at the start. And so whether I spend time... Look, I get this monkey by spending time in the game. It's a resource. Time is a resource. And so in my game, it's the same. You spend time in the game, you get gold, you decide what you spend the gold on. So it's an unlock over time. That's the same thing. And so this is the first monkey that has this target priority. I don't think any other monkey has this. There's no other monkey that has this, other than this guy. Respec is short for respect. And so, the advanced mode unlocks as you play the game more. Viper, thank you very much for following, bro. Well, I'm going to go now, making a text editor for Nano Vrimo and I plan to write a lot. Well, thank you very much for joining, Nicole, and good luck. So, guys, there's no point in arguing. I'm gonna do it like this. And we'll see if it works or not. Let's see. Let's see. Ability description, Ice Wave. Power Up. There we go. Meta progression descriptions. And we should call this Power Up descriptions and Power Up here too. Let's add another string that... What should we call this? Target location? Maybe? And we call that string target. Let's call it advanced targeting. Yeah, that sounds really smart. And then power up advanced targeting. And we have a power up to target specific units. Take a look at this. You know how I added this in just now? Here? What if we have another icon? That is, I don't know how we want to do this, but maybe that's like, oops. Actually, we're gonna copy this over here really quickly. It looks something like a skull. Okay. No. I mean, yeah, it's fine, I guess. There we go, move it here. Make it a bit bigger. This appears with another meta progression upgrade. And that is essentially his favorite target enemy. And maybe we need to have more, but let's say maybe something like... something like this, like a crosshair. And then this would be his priority target if it exists or if it is in range. So think about a situation. I'm all over the place. Let me add that meta progression. Advanced targeting and then specific targeting. A string. Let's call it string favored enemy. Let's call it string how do we call this? Advanced targeting. Advanced and specific. Specific targeting. Maybe specific targeting. Priority. Priority targeting. I guess we could call it specific. Priority favored enemy. String specific targeting. Power up. Specific. Individual. Think individual. You can have both specific and priority. Yeah, we have both already. Individual. I think individual is nice. It's a cool idea. String individual targeting. Individual targeting. That's a good idea. Alright, let's see. Agreed. And then what do we have here? String advanced targeting. And over here we have string individual targeting. And then that would be advanced targeting. And then that is individual targeting. Not sure why I broke this up in new lines, but okay. Good. Now we get the other ones, the other two here. Go down. Meta progression descriptions, yeah. Put it here. Let's see. So how do we do this? Advanced targeting allows you to target locations on the map in as preferred attack directions. As preferred attack locations. Wait. Allows you to set up attack locations for skill shots. Skill shots will be shot. So like this here. Skill shots will be shot towards that location. And then we call this attack locations with a special... Maybe we make it white because this is gray. Oh, it's already white. So how do we emphasize this? Maybe with orange? Do we have orange? I think orange would be nice. Ground targeting. Ah, you think allows you to set up will be shot towards that location. Skill shots will be shot towards that location. Hello, Cupertino. Good morning. Yeah, I think we'll do it like this, guys. It's okay. Yeah. But we need... I don't want it to be green. I want it to be like orange. Good morning, Cakez. Good morning, bro. I don't know what that emote is, but it you know. I don't... Let's see. Render interface. Let's just do it instead of thinking. Draw text. Text. Draw UI text. There we go. Let's see. For every word, let's see here. Character. Opening braces. There we go. We have... Oh, we already have orange. Oh, cool. Nice. So, orange exists. Let's see. Okay, and then what is the next one here? Wait, delete a word. Individual targeting allows you to set up... Unlocks the ability to target specific enemies let's do this in orange by, and then we do this. And then we do this in orange again. Right clicking. This is obviously hard coded now, which is bad because it's not always going to be right click, but for now it will be. On them. Let's test. I think this is cool. Advanced targeting and individual targeting. Then in the game, power-ups. Let's add a power-up type here. Power-up, advanced targeting. Hey, my man, Felipe, thank you very much for following. And that is individual targeting. We go. In the game, we add those two. Let's first add in, see, power up, advanced targeting. No. Yank a word, bro. Ooh, we don't have a book for this. Where's A Sprite? There we go. We need to create a book really quickly. That needs to look... Oh, we have one empty book here. Let's use that. Essentially, I want to... How do we do this? That will be advanced targeting, right? Let's just test if this works and looks good. I think it looks kind of bad. But maybe not. We'll see. Shit. Oh man, fuck. What do you guys think? Does it look bad? It looks bad, doesn't it? Ah, thought it would look good. Zoom out. It needs to be the same icon like on the HUD. The icon needs to repeat on the HUD. Looks good. Well, let's try to draw another one, right? I have another idea. What if we do this? But instead, for this, right? We just do an arrow. So, fuck, man, I can't even do an arrow because it would be something like that, maybe? Oh god, that looks really bad. I mean, we would have to generate something like this, I guess. What do you guys think? Maybe this is better? And then give it somewhat of a... Yikes, that looks so bad. Oh wow! Don't cover the white? So you mean instead of this? Like that? I don't think you can see anything here. I think it needs to cover the white for contrast. Compared to the circle, the value is too low. Emo cakes. Maybe like this? What do you guys think? I like it, you know. I think this looks good. Uh-oh, I kind of broke something here. I like this. I think this looks good. And I can even generate an outline in black. Ah, then we can't see anything though. So I guess this needs to be white. It's not clear enough yet. Wait, it's not clear enough. Wait, I think we are onto something here. Let's do this again. Draw this again. It needs to fit in a book though. Does it fit? Doesn't fit. So, kinda one more here. Something like this. Alright, and then we, you know, take the arrow. This is the problem. You see this? It doesn't work. God, that looks bad. Wait a minute. Oh, I like that. I think I need to make the arrow 2 times thicker, fortunately. It's so annoying, bro. Yeah, it needs to be thicker. And then we generate a blue outline maybe. To create contrast between red and blue. Maybe that? Maybe even more? Make it darker? Make the inner circle blue too. Yeah, maybe transparent or something. And then, you know, make this red arrow. I don't know, I really like this idea between white and red. Looks really good. I like that way more. Here? Don't look here. Look here. Outline the whole thing? Yeah, it will be outlined. Up-down animation. It's a static image on the UI. Try the arrow above the circle, not in it. Okay, let's see. You mean this? Like that? This high? Hello, gentlemen. Oh, Romco, good morning. Hello, sir. Yeah, it looks more 3D-ish with the second one you did. The first one looks too 2D. Yeah, the first one looks way too 2D. I mean, this one also... I know, actually, that one's bad. Make the arrow color more saturated. Make the arrow color more saturated. So what you're saying is maximum red. But then it doesn't have enough contrast. You see how the colors eat up? The reason why this works, by the way, is because this color here is dark. It creates a good contrast. What we could do, not red, it makes contrast. Make the arrow green or blue. Well, let's try green. I think green doesn't work very well. because... Yeah, it doesn't create enough contrast. It needs to be a dark green then. Yeah, it doesn't generate good contrast here, guys. Oh, hello there. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome. How you guys are doing? What have you been doing? Welcome, everyone. We are currently working on a tower defense game. We've been working on this for 3 years in C++. We have written all of the systems ourselves. We are learning game development along the way. Wait, maybe, guys. Whoops. Maybe. That looks like shit. That looks like a cactus now. Anyways, that looks bad. Don't give the thing you want people to look at a darker color, Cakez. No, guys, I think this is good. I think this works very well because of the contrast. Even though it's red. It works very well. Flat arrow would be more clear. No, it doesn't. Because it creates a 3D effect with this. Try making the circle darker. Guys, I don't want the circle to be darker. Okay, fine. We can try it. Alright, we're gonna do it like this. We create 2 versions and you guys say which version is the best, okay? This. And this version, okay? What type of... Guys, it eats itself up because it's too dark. I would need to... maybe this. It's too similar in colors, guys. You can't really tell what's going on because of this. You see this? It's bad. Left one. You like the left... Guys, I don't think the left one's good. Use the dark blue arrow and one you will see. Dark blue. Like this. I don't think it works at all. Guys, the problem is here. To the left. This color right here. These 2 colors. Use different dark color for the circle. Thin green arrow. We can't do a thin green arrow, guys. Animate it, guys.
It is static UI. I cannot animate it. It will be static UI.
Hard to tell without seeing them on the map. It won't be on the map. This is UI. Left bottom will balance well with the floor. Top plus top contrast will better show the movement. But it's not on the map, guys. This is an icon in the UI. Yeah, it looks more 3D-ish with the one you did. I learned from CSS that you should try to avoid yellow and green colors because it's really hard to see them on the screen. Ha, interesting. Okay. The right one attracts more. Yeah, guys, the right one is better.
Oh my god!
Like this.
What happened?
Because it generates good contrast.
No, I'm sorry.
And then over... Oops.
What the fuck is that?
Guys, it's going to be the right
Office?
one. Let's not spend too much time on this.
Trash? Jesus. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
We'll not spend too much time on this, but ultimately like this. And then we outline this. Cakez, can you put them in the UI element so we can see the contrast to the background of the button? Shift O. That here. Boom. Okay. Please tell me I can put it here. It's 1 pixel too big, man. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? It's 1 pixel too big. It's 2 pixels too big even. Oh. If I don't outline it, circle ruins. Oh man, it looks so good. That looks like shit. This looks like shit. Nah, man. Increase the book size. Actually, I think I want to do that, yeah. I might actually just make all of the books larger. We don't really have that many books anyways, right? Looks like trash. You look like trash, bitch. Fuck you. I just keep it like this. Who cares? Whatever, dude. Look at this. It's fine. Looks like a dead cactus during a cold evening in the desert. Bro, like... Cakes, I'm in the 1 pixel thick arrow version, your jumbo. I see. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Sorry. I didn't mean to lash out on you, you know, so I'm very, very sorry. Okay. Then I take it back. You're not a Dumbo. Guys, we just keep it like this. Who cares? Looks okay to me. One more up, maybe? Yeah, looks okay. Whatever. And we have the icon here. Wait a minute.
Am I so out of touch?
Copy paste this.
No.
Remake just subscribed. Big tick support for 10 years.
Bro, thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing, my man. I appreciate the big support, bro. Thank you. Welcome, sir. Look at resources, try this. No, you can try these nuts. We're already done. Guys, we're not spending 10 days on a fucking icon. Now we put it as 16 by 16 somewhere. Here. There we go. There's a spot. Why not? Too long. Okay, we need to finish a game. Ultimately, that's gonna be the next meta progression, power up. And it has 1 level. I don't think there could be improvements to this. It just allows you to target locations. Oh, man. Okay, let's generate a new sprite icon. Meta book. Meta book. Advanced targeting. Lone Ranger. All right, let's see here. So Atlas offset, 15 by 20 animation. Why would I do frame count of 1? Oh, they all have a frame count too. But they don't need one. Not sure why I would need this here. It's kind of unnecessary, is it? Wait a minute. Do I have... Wait a minute. I don't need this, right? I don't need it. Why would I say frame count 1 when it's obvious that it's the default? Huh. Maybe this is like an Überbleibsel from something that I had before. Whatever. Let's just get rid of this. Good. And where's the advanced targeting? We need to change the location here. 296 might be correct, but I'm pretty sure the X coordinate is not. Let's see. The X coordinate for this will be... I'm confused. 318, okay. Okay, that's the first thing. Put that here. And then string advanced targeting. And then string advanced targeting description. There we go. Maximum level 1, level 0, and the cost. This is gonna be expensive. 2,465. 69. Let's do 69. And then after that, it's 9,999 because we can't buy anything anymore. Cool. That would be advanced targeting, and we can start on whatever that's called, individual targeting too. But the individual targeting will be left for later.
No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
I watch a lot of ads, gotta support the brother. My man. Thank you very much for gifting a sub to Human PLS. Human, please. Mr. Almeida, thank you, man. Power up individual targeting. That's power up individual targeting. Individual targeting, I don't know yet, but I have an idea on how to do this. We have essentially this icon here. And then we generate on top of that like something like a red line. That's, what was this? This one right here, right? Yeah. Then let's do a circle here. Maybe that? That doesn't work. Also not a filled circle, but an empty circle. That looks bad. That looks bad too. Maybe like this. Very simple. What do you guys think? That looks bad. Sorry, that looks bad. Maybe make it more obvious? But this is a crosshair?
Gotcha, bitch!
What do you think? Well, is this too bad? Human PLS, thank you very much for following, bro. Welcome, sir. Wait, did you get a shout out, by the way? Sorry, I'm so focused on this. Did I give you a shout out? Sir, for the raid. Guys, did you get a shout out? Did Hey Andres get a shout out from you guys? I don't think you did, right? Hello there, Pika Labs, by the way. Peak Labs Dev, sorry. Welcome. You did not. I'm gonna give you a shout out really quickly. Where's that? No shout out here.
Gotcha, bitch!
Thank you so much for the raids earlier. I really appreciate it. Sorry that I'm focusing on this a little too much. We're currently working on some cool meta progression. I think that looks kind of bad. Don't like it too much. What if we do this though? And then we add in, how do we do this? How do we do a crosshair like this? I've never done a crosshair. I'm not an FPS person. But you know, I can't see the face anymore. So like it's completely deforming the face, which, you know, it sucks. But maybe if we do this? Wait. I can't see anything. I thought you were about to draw Kratos. Zeno, thank you very much for following, and Mike and the rest, thank you very much for following too. Welcome, you guys. Hello. We are currently trying to design a crosshair indicating that we are targeting a unit, like, you know, shooting at a unit essentially. However, I'm unable to generate a cool. Maybe this? Huh. Ah, man. Guys, I don't know what to put in the middle here. Maybe this is already enough.
No.
Azanri's just subscribed. Big tick support for 21 years. Thanks to Mr. Elmida for my sub.
Let's put a cross, a plus.
Giggles.
Yeah. Do regular cross in the circle. Like this? Shit. Damn, that looks kinda... That looks menacing, I have to say. I kinda like... What if, you know, let's try this. What if we do this, guys? We move this up here. And... Shit, it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Of course it does not work. Let me cook. Okay, I'm not done cooking yet. I'm cooking, okay? Okay, anyways, didn't taste very well. Let's not cook like that. Cakes. Imager. Huh. Okay, thank you. Let's test that. Shit, I forgot already. I don't think it works. Maybe it does now? Nah. Excuse me. I have an idea. What we have here too. Let's test this. Okay, this is kind of a wrong perspective. Maybe it looks good though. Trash. Ah, come on, bro. Novalgine. Oh, wait. Novalgine is literally... That's a medical... How do you say that? That's a medicament in English? What is that? Hello, Novalgine. Yeah. Servus. Servus, Klafi. Good morning. That's a drug? Medicine? Yeah, this is medicine. Guys. Let's not spend too much time on this, okay? So the icon is trash. Fine. That's okay. It is how it is, okay? Like, I can't make it better, okay? I tried. It doesn't work. What is this icon for? Targeting units?
Gotcha, bitch.
Is that obvious? That we are targeting units here? Anyways, guys, it is how it is. You know, it's not gonna be perfect. Let's just move on, okay? Let's just move on. Can I delete the layer, please? Delete layer. There we go. Let's put it on the thing here and move on, guys. We have a lot more stuff to program in, and I don't want to spend all day destroying one fucking circle. Okay? There we go. There it is. Let's move it to the... It is not centered. It's fine. It's fine. Let's just pretend that it's centered. It's okay. You know, the other one is centered too. Okay, there we go. Looks perfect. Imager. Guys. There's no contrast, man. There's no fucking contrast. This shit. There's no contrast on this. God. I can't make it white. I can't make it blue. Because we can't see it. I appreciate it, you guys. We completed a level 3 hype train with 3 subs. And 0 bits. Thank you, guys. Very nice. Green, maybe yellow. Yellow doesn't lift off too much, unfortunately. Guys, I think it's okay. Let's put it like this. I think that's the best we can do. Thank you very much, guys. It's a cool idea. I think that's too dark. Doesn't create enough contrast. Then maybe here we have like a... green? Maybe try this. Maybe this type. I did that actually. What was this earlier here? My favorite games are Gothic 1 to 3 and A Man After My Own Heart. Hey, Mike and the rest, thank you. Yeah. Gothic 1 to 3 are the best games ever, right? Gothic 3 doesn't have much of a story, unfortunately. But Gothic 1 and 2 are the best, yes. Yellow? Green. Let's try this. Guys, let's not spend too much time on this. We're wasting our time right now. You know? We're literally wasting it. We can't see this.
Cakez, I have bad news.
No,
I
that's not
just
true.
got your wishes for Christmas. Sadly, releasing Tangy Defense is an impossible task, even for me. Good luck.
Ho ho ho!
Guys, I know what we're gonna do.
Huh? Ah!
I know what we're gonna do. We are just not going to have this in the middle. That's it. We just don't have it in the middle. And then maybe we do this. That's too much though. Doesn't create contrast. What about this? It might be too much. Yeah, that's too much. It's fine. No, it's too many colors. Like this. We keep it like this for now. That's okay. The red outline looks bad. Just draw the skull, remove red outline. No, guys, we keep it like this. It's fine. Let's move on. Guys, we don't have like 10 days to do this, okay? Listen, it's okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. Meta book, individual targeting. Guys, it's okay. Stop complaining. It's just an icon for now, okay? We can make it better later. Who cares? Position? 378, okay. 378. There we go. Individual targeting. Complete. Individual targeting string. And the description for individual targeting too. There we go. And we get a most one level and individual targeting. Let's keep it the same price. Aha. I didn't have description here. Oops. Put in description. There we go. And over here, description too. Guys, we have 2 new power-ups in the game. Watch. Man, that looks good. Man, that looks awesome. God, I'm proud of this. Cool mechanic. Would be a spell to spawn in your own skulls to kill the enemy for a couple of seconds and then fade out. Hello from California. Oh wow, Mr. Friend. Hello from Germany. Welcome, sir. Let's type that here, choo-choo.
Hello.
And you know what we're gonna do? Hi, you know, I'm going to change this UI, by the way, so... Allows you to set up attack locations for skill shots. Skill shots will be shot towards that location. Attack locations, and then this is unlocks the ability to target. I think we should do specific enemies, right click. Or target and right click. Maybe just target and right click. Guys, Zoe is infecting me. Goodness. Don't die out. She did it again. Fucking bitch. What about this? Target, right clicking, and then maybe target enemies, right click. Unlocks the ability to target enemies by right clicking on them. Or maybe just target enemies. Like this. I like how your text is perfectly inside the boxes. Keep it up, Cakez. I know that this is outside the box, man. What am I gonna do, bro? Like, it is how it is, you know? Fuck it. It sucks, I know. I know. But what am I supposed to do? The icons look good, you know? Fuck it. Honestly, when TK Dev and I wrapped up our game for London Dare 56, we jumped into TCAP's voice channel, Orshi and Solform as well, and TCAP himself joined, and it was quite fun. Yeah, I saw that actually. Yeah, you guys had a lot of fun. Hello, Jova. Good morning. Welcome. You played TCAP's game and had a lot of fun in the voice channel. Yeah, that was cool. First of all, functionality after cosmetics. True. Okay, guys, it's very simple actually. We program this in like this. We go into the game and then we go into display upgrades. There we go. And then over here at the top, heading, balloons like unlocked tiers. Wait, that's a draw heading. We don't need that. We don't need the do choice. Gradient, yeah, let's do that too. Content. There we go. There's the roots. So let's go into the level now. Onto the level. There we go. Defender Tangy. Okay, so here's the name. Here's the picture of the unit. Then there's the level. And then over here we have advanced targeting. And over here we have individual targeting, which unlock with meta progression. Damn, bro, who cares? On YouTube, gifted $10 that says, here, take my money. Much love. Thank you, man. Holy shit, thank you so much. I'm actually gonna write down that I should add some YouTube notifications for this. Thank you so much, man. Wholesome YouTube. Yeah, very wholesome, man. Thank you. Let's see. YouTube notifications. Excuse me. It's not sarcasm on YouTube, okay, bro? So let's see if... The cool thing is, if the power up on power up advanced targeting dot level is greater than 0, so essentially it's level 1, then we are going to draw UI sprite advanced targeting, which we don't have right now, right? So we need to add that, and I saw that sprite lone ranger icon. Excuse me. Oh, my man, Kiel Roll, thank you very much for following. Welcome, sir. Lone ranger, and then man, it's kind of icon. Maybe we shouldn't call this. Man, we have sprite icon here. And then sprite icon. I need to have a better naming convention, guys. Like, I have sprite icon sometimes and icon sprite. Yeah. I mean, maybe it should be called sprite icon. What do you guys think? Over here too, sprite icon, Tangy and Skull. Because it is an icon, right? Lone Ranger, and then over here instead of Lone Ranger we have advanced targeting. Over here, and then we have individual targeting. There we go, and then go to lone... Actually, we go to the error. Oops. We go, and over here too. By the way, Mr. Lolboy, how is it looking for the London Dare submissions? When are you guys going to get the results? Who won and stuff? In my opinion, except for maybe the looks, because people, you know, take a look at the looks a lot. TCAP's game should be quite high on the list, in my opinion. Cakez, look at resources. It will fit in the book. Okay, I'll try. I'm Emo is a really good pixel art designer. God, man. Guys, I'm getting sick! Fuck! No! I need to sleep, guys. Like, I slept for 2 hours, man. Fuck, bro. Something between 2 to 3 weeks. I see. It would be cool if you guys could notify me or remind me when it's 2 to 3 weeks so we take a look at the London Dare results. I hope that TCAP's game is up there. I really do. Because ultimately, it should be. It's a good game. People play this for a long time. Everyone that played it, like mostly everyone that played it for a long time. Low sleep guys here. Yeah, like, yeah, I feel you. I've been with 3 to 4 hours sleep for 3 days straight with toddler reasons. Yeah, for toddler reasons. It's so annoying, man. Like, you know, I love my baby. I love it. But man, it takes such a drain on your body. When you, like, you have to go to the hospital, or maybe you have to go to the doctor, something's up. You know, she cries in the middle of the night. You have to wake up, then move around. It's a great game. Now, I haven't played any other London Dare, so maybe the competition is very strong. Maybe art-wise, but I don't think there's going to be much maybe, but I feel like his game is a very unique idea that just came to be. So, to be honest, I don't think... Maybe. I find it very unlikely, though. Because such an idea, in my opinion... That doesn't happen very often. Now you realize what your parents went through with you. Yeah, maybe I was maybe I wasn't that bad, you know? You don't know that, Mr. Eisen. There are kids and there are kids, you know? Differences exist in the world. Hey, Lazy, good morning. Alright, let's keep going here, come on. Just get that icon here. Copy this. Oh no. We already have an outline for the... Actually, I'll keep it like this. I'm not going to outline this anymore. I'm running out of space here. Oh, maybe here. If I outline this, I think it will look bad. Yep. That looks really bad. We're not doing this. But if I just keep the outline like that, like this, how would that look? I think that looks bad, if you ask me. I guess it's fine, actually. I think it might be okay. Oh, we have another issue here. It's not centered. Sorry. Shit. It's fine. Alright, let's see. So this one is in 832 and 80. 832 and 80. And this one here is in 528. Okay, 528 and 0, of course. Cool. And then in the game here, we can do sprites, advanced targeting, icon. And we'll put it, let's put it on the contents position for now. See where that is. And over here we do the same if check, but with the different power up. Individual targeting. And we don't have the code for what should happen yet. We'll add that in later. Let's do -20 and 20. And then we have one to the left and one to the right, ultimately. And that would be individual targeting, individual targeting. Yeah, and to quickly debug this, because I don't have the money, we're gonna say the power-ups level is 1. This one and the individual targeting too. Let's take a look. They should appear here somewhere. Why is that not showing up? Hey? Maybe I need to... It draws the hero sprite. Maybe it's behind the hero? Wait a minute. Wait, it's complaining about something. Aha. Sprite icon Lone Ranger. Yeah. We had an error, that's why. There's another one, sprite icon. There we go. Another one. Yep. One more? Wow. Okay. I like what I see so far. Nice art. Lovely little world you have designed, Cakez. Thank you, Mr. Friend. I really appreciate that, bro. We're still working on the... whatever that's called, though. So maybe I don't need this, actually. We're still working on the content part. Best streamer? Oh, my man. Thank you, Real Shark, bro. Thank you, man. Oh, bro. Thank you, bro. Nice. I like what I see so far. Nice art. You are literally trying to be toxic. See you in 4 minutes. Asshole. Ah, there we go. You see that? These are the icons. And then ultimately, these will be buttons. Okay? You will be able to click on them. So let's turn these into buttons, right? But not do anything yet. Whoops. Now we can click them and we'll see. So -20 is kind of bad. But we are in the correct position. So let's say minus 10. And over here we go... Well, 20 to the right wasn't correct. So maybe... I think we should use the Windows Center. On X, add in, let's say, something. And then do contents position at Y. And then ultimately we need to break this up into multiple lines because it's getting out of hand because of the indentation. You know, we are an indentation master, of course. Did you guys know the hidden tech about programming? The more you indent to the right, the better you are at programming. Only very few people in this world are able to do it. Now, if you get to this point, it's essentially, you can see it like this, okay? You see how every single line to the left, and there are quite a few, that is like one level of programming, okay? And this is how the 10x programmers came to be. They got to an indentation level of multiple x's. So far that they got to over 10x, okay? And so what I have here, by the way, and this doesn't count, that would be cheating, but we have this if check here. That's on level, well, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, that's why people call me the 10x programmer. Okay, we are going 10x levels to the right. Okay, now what's after level 10? You wouldn't be able to comprehend that because it's too difficult to understand. Like how you can't see or visualize 4D worlds. That would be the same with more than 10x programmers. Okay, so that is just, I can't explain that to you. I can't visualize this. Either you know or you don't. Okay, it's just something that you are born with. So yeah, anyways. Aha, these icons look okay, and they're now buttons. Look at this. Cool. So funny, I'm literally crying. Yeah, true, right? Let's do a const here. Const float spread of 30. Where's the new boss for the level you were talking, Mr. Cakez? I will probably not get to this today because I had a terrible night. So what I'm doing right now is just relaxed coding. I'm operating on... Oh, I think I like that a lot. Maybe lift this up a bit higher, but man, look at this, guys. And so these icons, by the way, they appear and disappear based on my meta progression power-ups. So for example, I can disable them like this. Now it's gone. Watch. Boom. Now we only have this one. Lines of code per file is a great indicator. Yeah, so you know why people say that you should keep functions like at most 10 lines, maybe a little bit more, but not too long? Well, that's because these people are just not skilled enough. And the more lines of code you have per function, the more skill you need, essentially. And so most people just can't comprehend these long functions, and therefore they tell you, bro, like if you're not smart enough, then you shouldn't do it. I'll take. No, that's true, you know. Only Uncle Bob does that. Is he high? No, I'm normal. I'm fine. Unfortunately, Cakez, the vertical lines more closely resemble. So you are more like a 10 divided. What? Oh, they resemble division. You should have not used the division operator. You should have literally said the word division. You know? because it was confusing. But okay, funny. He's high on low sleep. Yeah, essentially that. I'm not hallucinating it, so it's fine. Okay, cool. We have these in the game now. They don't do anything, and I kinda... guys, I'm bored. Not bored, but I'm lazy today. I'm not implementing this today. I have it already in the game. This is already in the game, so take a look. You see this? I can hover over these, like perfectly only. That would allow me to right-click the units and essentially, let's see, right-click. Hovered enemy. Let's see, hovered enemy. Rect collider, yeah. Wait a minute, but that should be so easy. Mouse position is in the rectangle. Hovered enemy, target priority. Am I even doing this? Just to make sure. Wait, update enemy. Just to make sure this is never wrong, because I don't know. What? Yeah. That's about the index here. Rectangular collider. Ground collider. I think the rectangular collider doesn't work. No, it should work. So then why is this only when I'm literally inside? Point in rect. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna... Oh no, it's a stupid debugging thing. Functions should do exactly what the name says. If it does something else, there should be a comment about it. A function should encapsulate what it does, but it also makes no difference if it does more and is a million lines. The CPU doesn't care. True, it does, Razer. Same thing with Rust devs. They can't handle the whole logic in their small brains, so they need 1,000 language restrictions to help them, Cakez. True, Zergfried. Exactly. And that's why there are no good games made in Rust, right, guys? That was a joke, by the way, okay? I know that tiny glades exist, okay? It was a joke. Pretty sure the toggle bit people will come in here thinking,
What is this guy saying? He's such a dumbass, you know? He doesn't even release a game. Talks straight about Rust, man. Let's cancel this guy out. Fucking masochistic piece of shit. Asshole. I hate him.
Aha! So why is it not hovering the enemy then? Like, I'm in the rectangle. I don't understand. Let's do this again. Oh! Aha! Center. It was treating it... It was actually drawing the rectangle around the center. Okay, so guys, should I do the rectangle collider or should I use the... Because the rectangular collider is quite big, right? Yeah, we should use the rectangular collider, actually. We should use the rectangular collider. Wait. Did I build? Probably didn't. Cakez, does having over 20,000 lines of code in a single file also mean you're a 10x dev? No, like that is something else. You know, but again, like indentation means the X times programmer you are. Okay? The other one we haven't quite figured out what that is yet. But it also means something of greatness, of course. Yes. If you have a project with X thousands of functions and each of them have more than 100 lines of code, I hate you. That's such a strong word. No method documentation? I don't need documentation. The toggle bit viewers are smart, they don't watch you. I feel like that's kind of uncalled for, you know? Like, it's kind of uncalled for, to say. Kind of toxic. Now that looks really good. Ooh, that looks like pixel perfect collision. Look at that. Okay. Then why does it not show me the right click here? Oh, because I don't have... Aha. So now we can see the right click icon here. Okay, and when I click on this, it shows me this terribly drawn indicator. We're gonna make that better, of course. You know, it looks really bad. I think it's too big. Grabs too much attention. But yeah. Godot documentation would have helped, Cakez. This game is something I would hope to play one day. Yeah, I hope to bring it to you as well. That's what she said. No, but that's true. I think this is just way too big. You know what? Let's just change it, guys. It's gonna be an art stream today. Whatever. Let's go. Where's this thing? It's here. Let's replace this. Make this cooler. How can we make this cooler, guys? Maybe just a bigger version? First and foremost, I kind of want to make this thinner. Right? Put it... I don't know. Just put it here somewhere. What can we do? Yeah? Should it be a circle? Maybe this? Fuck. I didn't make it. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. Then... maybe this? And then we add in green lines here. What were those again? Where's this? Where's that? I lost it. These ones here. This color. Hey! This color here. There. Cakez, by the way, is there a symmetry tool for a sprite? I'm pretty sure there is, bro. But I didn't bother to learn it. There is 100%. I lost it. Ah, there we go. Let's try with the thicker ones first. See how that feels. And if it looks really bad, then I'm going to make this one thinner. Ultimately, it was like this, right? How about we put it next to it so we can see this as inspiration? Yeah. That was it. What do you guys think? Is that bad? Does that look good? Cakez, how long did it take you to design code and other stuff? 3 years. Took me about 3 years survival. Very long time. Manual everything. Excuse me. I think it looks bad. Let's see it in a game. I mean, I don't hate it, actually. I don't hate this at all. Huh. What do you guys think? It looks too thin? So you mean the outline here? Let's see. You want this to be 2 times thicker. And then maybe just this. Maybe that's too thick though. But maybe that looks good. Maybe that. Maybe this. Oops. Zip. Zip. So guys, I have a question for those of you who are parents in chat. Do you get more resilient against illnesses like the flu and shit if you have a baby. Because you're ultimately in contact with this all the time. And your baby is kinda infecting you all the time. Yeah, you do. So right now I had a baby. And I'm starting to get sick a lot. Because the baby's getting sick. And obviously I kiss the baby and I hold it in my arms, right? So that will make me sick. But the worst part is during daycare. The worst part is during daycare, so it gets worse. Babies love infecting parents. Yeah, I would assume so, bro. Yeah, kinda sucks. However, I think it will get better, right? Babies love infecting parents. Maybe give the green lines a black outline. Holy shit, the door opened on its own, guys. It's a ghost. The door opened on its own because of wind. We have a ghost in here. Holy shit. I gotta close the door, you know? The fucking ghosts not closing the door on their own. Fucking assholes. So what if we do this, you know, make this a bit more bright here? But maybe it grabs too much attention. It's Aizen from the basement. Yeah. Keep it simple and just make it all red. Nah, man. I think it looks bad. Let's take a look here. Guys, I think it's too big. That's the problem. I think it needs to be thin to not grab too much attention. What do you guys think? Or is this fine? What do you guys think? Should I keep it like this? The green looks ass? No, it doesn't look ass, guys. Come on. Also, maybe it should be elliptical. Maybe a little bit elliptical here? Ooh, that looks bad. Ooh, that looks really bad, though. Keep it for now. The green disappears into the grass immo. Don't say that, bro. Like, I was so... don't fucking say that, man. You don't need those corner things either? Who cares what the fuck is a method? Are you Muppet? Cakez doesn't use methods, he uses functions. Almost 10 of them even, in his 2000 lines of code base. Lol, well I use both procedural and so it doesn't bother me. Yeah, who cares? I know, you're smart. Exactly. Because ultimately, whatever works for you. Guys, I think this looks good. Come on, it doesn't blend into the grass. What are you talking about?
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Just make it red, bro? No! Can you add a black half-transparent border? Looks so bad, bro. Looks so fucking... looks trash. Fucking... looks like ass. It looks like ass! Fuck, man! I spent so much time on this! Fine. Okay, we'll give it a border outline. Shift O. Guys, I think it's too much if we add an outline now. Can I do RGB? Brother. I don't know. I mean, full black was awesome. It's too fat, brother. Try it out in game. Read BioL's message. The triangle could also rotate. Bite you well. Just add a triangle above the NPC. That looks ugly as fuck. A triangle above the NPC. What do you mean by a triangle? What tool do you use? What tool do you use for making games? This is Sprite. It's a pixel art editor. You can draw pixel art in it. And oh, it generated an outline here. Give me a second, guys. We're not supposed to generate an outline to the right here. I use Sprite for pixel art, and then I use Visual Studio Code to program, essentially. And C++, mostly. Not much, really. Like, there's not much, there's not a big tech stack that I have. The Sims Diamond but a triangle. Cakez, did you get T-Asen? Did you get Cakez T-Asen? Add a triangle that the enemy don't do crosshair, Cakez. Fucking fly. Cakez, you don't even try half the transparent border. Fine, let's try the half transparent. Let's first try the border. Let's try that first. See how that looks. Okay. Grabs too much attention. Make it. Yeah, we're working on it. Okay, we're working towards it. I don't think it's drawn in the transparent layer. It is actually. It's not that bad, really. They mean something like this, Cakez. Oh, I see. I get it now. Tonsillitis? Yeah, I think that's actually it is. That's actually what it is, yes. It's a virus infection that swells your throat. I was sick a lot until recently. From a couple of months now, I have been okay. It kind of matched the first day care here. Depends, do you want to use an engine that eats resources like Cakez' mom eats crisps? Or do you want to spend 10 years to make a demo for a little Tangy TV, Acewin? Which one is better, Unreal Engine or only C++? That is something that you can decide on your own only. You need to try both to see what you like more. The advantages of Unreal Engine are obvious, hopefully, to you. You are getting started much faster. And you can literally add a collider to a 3D world character and have it, I think it's almost perfect collision in the world. There will be no clipping, I think. I have not tried Unreal Engine that much yet. Maybe there is clipping, but there will be no clipping, no physical bugs. There will be some, but yeah, mostly it is flashed out. And when you're making your own engine, or you write your own C++ code, you have to learn that. Do you know how to collide a spherical object in 3D space with another spherical object? Do you know how to collide a spherical object? That's not a sphere, but I don't have a sphere. Let's pretend this is a sphere. In 3D space with a world that looks something like this, where let's say this This is where the character stands on, and then you kind of have a wall here. That looks something like this. And now, you know, your spherical object tries to move towards that wall. Can you collide this? Do you know how to do this? Against this face? Or maybe this face, which is, you know, transformed into triangles. These are triangles. Because ultimately, that's what you're gonna have to do yourself. Or you need to find a library that works well for you, that does this for you. So yeah, that's the downside of an engine, you know. You have to do this stuff yourself. And that takes a long time. And you know, the biggest problem is not that it takes a long time, but it's also finding the correct resources that teach you these things. I have an article here. I think it's on 3D games. Let me test here. Game development. Marketing, graphics, Vulkan. Ooh, simple intersection tests for games. Maybe that's it. GameDeveloper.com, discipline. Let's read up a bit more. Why is it loading so slowly? Oh, is that it actually? That's 2D though. That is not 3D. That's not the one I was looking for. Also, it's gotta be dark here, bro. Who reads this shit? I think the website is broken. Maybe I need to remove it. Let me find this. Documentation, cheat sheet, fix your time step, compiler support. I can't find it. Unfortunately. Ah! There it is. Capsule detection. Wicked engine. I think that... There we go. Yeah. 3D game capsule. Or is it 2D? Is he explaining it? It's 2D only, is it? Shit. It might not be 3D. Yeah, I found something that's really cool for capsule collection. It's 3D, yeah? Yeah, capsule detection, collision in... Watch the YouTube video, the YouTube demo. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't want to get copyright striked one more time. Essentially, I found this, you know? Please link. Oh, sure, yeah, there we go. This is a good link. So yeah, ultimately, you have to program this yourself. And then figure out all the nicks and crannies. For example, all the camera settings in Bevy just map to what I learned in Godot. That's what we're gonna do in the future, guys. Are you excited? GJK algorithm, winter.dd, winter.dev, articles. Collision detection algorithm. Oh, don't tell me this is... Okay. Is it actually explaining it with code examples? It is. Damn. Dot. Cool. That's essentially collision, resolving collisions though, right? It's like pushing out objects. Yeah. What I don't like about elliptical colliders is what you can see here. You see how the character... Dude. God, fucking pisses me off. The character is trying to jump. Can you stop that? Oh my god, why are you lagging so much? Sorry, I didn't sleep much. Fuck! Man! Stop it! Okay. Essentially, the character is trying to jump, but it's being blocked by the geometry up here. Because of this dome up here. That's really annoying. You see this? Kinda sucks. But yeah, I don't want to pause and play too much. Let's see the other one here. That one looks cool too. GJK algorithm. I'm actually gonna save that too. How do we do this? Game dev. And I should create a new folder. Can I just right click here? Add folder. 3D collision. And then we put GJK in here. Oh fuck, I can't find it anymore. Capsule collision detection. I think it's this one here. Put it here. So yeah, when people ask me in the future, there it is, and that's for my own research too. This is what we're gonna do in the future. I'm excited. You know, always something new is always cool, but for first, we work on our tower defense game. Let's try this then. Why not? Turn this into an arrow. Why not? Yeah, colliding with a shape different from your avatar can feel bad to players. Yeah. I'm actually surprised that you read articles, never seen you reading anything programming related on stream, just brain rot YouTube content. Wrong. You are just biased. And you're lying. And you're wrong. But it's fine. It's fine. Because I know that you don't mean it. Guys, when I have trouble reading a message, it's because you can't type for shit, okay? If it's normal English, I can read it. That's your own fault, guys. Sorry. What was the last article? I'm not gonna answer that, bro. I have some stuff to do here, okay? Now, can you please shut up and let me do what I need to do? Thank you. All right, how do we do this? Let's just generate a cool shape. Guys, we're just gonna do a triangle like you guys said. Like this? Maybe make it a bit cooler. Okay. I wonder if I should do it 32 by 32. What happened? Input error? Hello, audio speak. Long time no see, bro. Keep it simple? Keep it simple, you say? Okay. We can try. Sure. I don't like that. I don't like this, essentially. Feels shitty to me. You called me an idiot? Not true. You called me an idiot yesterday? I didn't call you an idiot, bro. Absolutely not. Stop spreading lies, bro. Character. Dude. God, fucking pisses me off. The character is trying to jump. Can you stop that? Oh my god, why are you lagging so much? Sorry, I didn't sleep much. Fuck! Man! Stop it! I need sleep, guys. I really do need sleep. It looks ass. It looks like I hate it. I hate it. It looks so bad. Okay, we do it like this. Guys, it looks bad. Sorry, but this just looks shitty. And this, I don't like this. Because the nipple is too long. You know? Look at that. What is this shitty penis here? That is so bad. And also it's not even centered. You know? You guys are telling me to keep it simple, but I fucking hate this. It looks so bad. It looks shit, guys. Doesn't look good. I don't even know what that's supposed to be, man. Look at that. What is this? Too many hard edges. Yeah, it doesn't look smooth. Post it an image on Discord, maybe it helps. Something to get inspired by? Let's see. Where's Discord? I closed it, like always. Of course. Ah, of course you need to lag. Draw it like this, but rotate it? Some low effort sus derivative. Damn, bro, that looks so good. Let's copy this. Guys, but I don't have an emote slot. And Sir Zhao, thank you very much for following earlier. Welcome, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. And I think Key Roll, I forgot you too. Thank you very much for following earlier as well. What if you upload a one frame GIF? I don't think that works. Is this a GIF? Boy. Save image. Sus Tangy PNG. I don't think you can. Let's test. Eh? I lost my... Wait, I have too many things open. Settings. No, not settings. Viewer rewards emotes. There we go. Let's see. I don't think I can do this. Why not try, right? It only lets me... I mean, it does let me select all files. There's no way this works. You can't cheat the systems, yeah. You need to have a .gif file. I mean, if you generate a GIF with one frame, we could trust Mr. Real Super Cool. I mean, fine, we tried. We will try it. Like, so the mistake I did was to have... Yeah, okay, let's see. Save image. You know what really bothers me with Discord is that they always default to downloads. Can they not store the location, please? Let's test that. There's no way this works. You can actually create more emotes by uploading a one frame GIF. Isn't that nice? So if you have your emote slots already filled up because you don't get that many, you get a lot of animated emote slots. And if you don't have anything animated, just upload a one frame GIF. It works. This is going to be Cake 7 sus. Upload right here. Cool. And we have 8 out of 25 animated emotes. That means we can upload way more. And we now have a static image as an animated image, since we are full on standard emotes. Really cool.
Guys, I just farmed the short. Maybe that will be getting some millions and trillions and billions of views, right?
Like how Mr. Trump says all the time, right? Cool. Nice. I need some context though. I need to generate some context, or it will get you banned from the Twitch affiliate program. Imagine it gets me banned. That would be so... I would make an angry YouTube video about it, and then hope that some big content creator watches this and is like, oh man, this small content creator got banned by Twitch? Oh man, let me make some content about this, you know? Show that I'm supporting the small creators. That is an unjust thing to do. You can't do this, Twitch. What are you doing? You stupid? Whoops. Okay, but I don't like the top part here. How do we make this top part less shitty? I think that looks bad. And also, alright, I mean, we can test that here. You know, showcasing that we are pushing down. But then what? Maybe make the top orange. You guys think this should be orange? What do you mean make the top orange? Nice, thanks for the tip. You can generate up to 60 images per minute. It's not that legible? Oh, you mean because of the eyes? Make the eyes darker, then it's more legible. Super cool. The eyes are... I don't know if you can make them darker or not. But yeah. It's the eyes, unfortunately. Guys, we're spending some fucking time on... Wait, this is not even correct here. That's what it should look like. No. Bro, it looks so much better in the image because it uses bloom. Wait a minute, is this just 1 pixel? Why is my dad calling me right now? Why is my dad calling me right now, bro? I won't even try to tell him to use a transparent border. Yeah, okay, we can use a transparent border, but this thing needs to look good, you know? Not like a fucking blob of dog shit. Which is what it looks like right now. And it's a fucking... I can't believe that we are wasting our time on a triangle. I've been sitting on the fucking triangle for 30 minutes. Why is it so fucking difficult to make a fucking... 30 minutes for a triangle, 3 days for a circle. This is too fat. Like Chat's mom. This is too fat. Look at this. It needs to be stretched. You have a green triangle? While sleeping only 2 hours, just Google triangle to get some inspiration. Keep up the good work, Cakez. You're doing great. Shut the fuck up. Maybe we have something better. I mean, I have this. Maybe I should do this, guys. Oh my god, I had this all the time. Maybe this and just animate it up and down. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this? It's an arrow. What do we need the triangle for? Ah, for nothing, man. Just wasting our time because we have so much of that, you know? We need it for nothing. We need it for absolutely nothing! Oh, my wife's calling. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, we can't spend too much time on this shit anymore. So we're just gonna keep the stupid thing here. I hate it. It looks bad, but whatever. You know, maybe just do this. Maybe, like, I mean, test that. Maybe this is good. What do you guys think? I'm just... That looks bad. Good, now leave it. Try it in game. Let's just keep it like this. Fine. Let's create a sprite and then add it in the game. Assets. Sprite icon. Ah, I see. So sprite icon targeted individual target. Sprite icon individual target. And by the way, earlier, I think I missed this. Bro, Dan Garrep, thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime. Thank you so much, bro. Welcome, sir. And thanks for the support. Sprite icon individual target. Oh, is it? There you go. Oi, oi, hey, Dan Garrep, yeah, thank you. That is 16 by 16 and we put it... It is on 976, 128. And then over here, mark this is A, and then have... If we have a hovered enemy...
Am I so out of touch? No.
Lazy
Right,
0008 just subscribed. Big tick support for 6 years.
Wow, my man, Lazy, thank you very much for subscribing, too, bro. 6 fucking years already. Wow, what a long time. I always forget to use Prime. Yeah, Prime is... I don't know how long that will stay in Twitch, actually. Let's test. This is what it looks like now, guys. And obviously it needs to be above the target, so the center... What if we do it like this? We say, okay, well, we get the center. And then we... Wait, how about we get the... Get rect... Let's see. Rect... rect collider is get rect collider from the primary target. And then that's a const, and we draw that at the rect collider dot position plus vector 2 of 0 rect collider dot size dot y divided by 2. That's gonna be minus. And we add in another 8 pixels. And I think we're going to animate that too. That would be a const float lift up, which is a sine curve from the game state. Let's call it game time, because that is paused when the game's paused. And then we multiply that, let's say, by 4 to make it faster. And then, since it's from -1 to 1, we divide that by 2 and add 1 to it. Now that we have a value from 0 to 1. And then we multiply that value by... I don't know how much we should do that, but let's say 4, and then we do +8. And then over here we have the plus lift up. There we go. So I quickly animated this to see how to test out how that looks. Four times is too slow, in my opinion. Maybe it's 8 or 9, something like that. What do you guys think? Maybe 8 is a bit much. Maybe 4. But then again, their rectangular collider is quite big. What do you guys think? This? Is this obvious? Oh my god. Guys, I have a cool idea. Okay, I like this is the last thing I do, but I have a really cool idea. Take a look at this. Where is this? So what we need to do is draw a sprite white, doesn't matter, at the primary target position origin using a size of, let's say, 8 by 8 maybe, or maybe 16. We'll see. Try 16, and then in the draw data options, we give it a material and we give it a rendering option. And this is called render options, not options. I think that's it. Lingering cloud. And then this will essentially, and this needs to be red, by the way. Guys, what do you think of that? Huh? Watch this. Dot layer is behind the primary target layer. And then make it a bit more opaque. Let's say 0.6 or 0.7. Why do we need to target? Looks good. Less intrusive than the circle. And then the radius for that could be the primary target ground collider radius times 2. That could be the size for this.
Gotcha, bitch.
It's subtle, yet it works. I think it works. Styrus, thank you very much for following. They are attracted to non-stop poo smell. What is Inokai saying on YouTube, bro? I think that looks really good. Unfortunately, these attack range circles, the outline... Maybe I can make this better in the shader. Let me test something. Make that slow. Now we have it here. We can change the shader to see the effects. Essentially, this is here. No, not here. We are using circle, I think. And this is the outline. I think. Wait, is it the circle? Let's see here. Yes. So this is the outline here. which is 0.9 to 0.1. I kind of want it to be maybe on the health bar. I want this to, like, for example, if I do 0.8 and then 0.7, you see how it gets a bit bigger? 0.5? But maybe that's bad. Looks 0.7 looks good. The problem is if it gets big. How did I do this on the rendering circle here? Outline start is the quad size. And then it says outline start from that. Okay, maybe we can just do this. Let's test that. Huh. Okay. And then in this case it's RGBA plus equals. Yeah. Maybe under the health bar? What do you mean? I think this is fine. Sometimes you can't see it though, yeah. It is a bit annoying, for sure. Also, I have a feeling that sometimes it's not registering the right clicks. It feels bad to right click on enemies, which it shouldn't. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Looks good. I think it's okay. Yeah, again, like I just clicked on it. I think it feels bad. Yeah, feels bad. I think it should be on down if it was just pressed. Or something. Why do we need to click on enemies? What is the purpose in a tower defense game? Okay, let's explain this. Why do we need this? The need arises when there's high priority targets. Let's say this is a road. Okay, and here's the enemies. They're walking along the road in this direction. Now, let's say we have a unit here that's attacking these guys. And he's targeting the first. So that would be this target right here. Let's say we have an enemy that is really powerful. Here. It's a big guy. And he's kinda frozen. Okay? He's frozen. I know that's kind of frozen. Yeah? Because I'm crowd controlling him in this position using, let's say, the mage or something, right? We'll have to see. I'm developing that still, right? It's on the way. Now I want this guy, and maybe here's the exit, okay? This is where the exit is. I need to make sure that this guy doesn't reach it, and he has a lot of health. He's very strong. I can target my tangerine and make him attack this guy over the first. It allows me to have better control in certain situations where I need it. But it's not a requirement. It is something that you can do by investing money into it. But you don't have to do it. How do you target one enemy when there are multiple overlapping? How do you target the correct one when they're overlapping? Based on a target priority that I coded into the game. Over here. Let's mark this. The weakest one is the normal target priority, then ranged and strong, and I will probably let the player decide on that priority. And my job as a game developer in this situation, by the way, is to make sure that this targeting feels good. Which it doesn't at the moment. I said that before, it doesn't feel good at the moment. And so I need to make sure that this feels good. Anyways, guys, that's the point of it. And I think we did make some good progress on that today. I think it looks like we are targeting something. Feels... It makes, like, when you see this, you're like, okay. Yeah. This guy is targeted by this guy. I think that looks good. And now he's dead. We're gonna target this guy now. By the way, the code for it doesn't work. He's not always attacking this guy. The code is not implemented. How do you target one enemy when there are multiple overlapping? Actually read that already, yeah. So that's essentially the idea.